Hello everybody and welcome to the GTM Garage. In this project series we will put all of this into this. This is a 95 GTM Toyota Supra Twin Turbo, which for the moment just has a little bit of PPU upgrades, with an 8KS intake, a front mounted intercooler and a HKS high power exhaust. This Supra has the 2JZ GTE engine, which has a twin turbo setup, and with the mods that are on now, should deliver around 300 horsepower, perhaps a little bit more. And what we're going to do on this project is to single turbo convert the engine. And this single turbo setup should deliver around 700 horsepower, so that should give us about a 400 horsepower gain. And I will go into more details on this setup later on, but right now let's start the teardown. The main thing we need to do now is to remove the twin turbos and exhaust manifold. But before we can get to that, we need to remove all the things that are on the top of the turbos. And this basically is a step-by-step process. So let's get started. So now here we have the twin turbos, and I can tell you that there is a significant size difference between these turbos and the turbo that we're going to replace them with. And I'm going to show you the size difference between these and the new turbos later when we have got these loose. But let's continue now, and we are going to start with removing these compressor housings. To be able to reach the last bolt that's underneath the turbo, we need to raise up the car and remove the catalytic converter. For easy reach of the bolts on the catalytic converter, we will first remove this strut and plate. There. Now we have removed the twin turbos, and what we're going to do now is basically a lot of preparations for the single turbo conversion, but I will go into more details on that in the next episode, and I'm also going to explain more about the single turbo setup I'm going to use. So well, that's all for this episode, so stay tuned.